Hi everyone, Ahmed Khan here from CellAgri. Hope you're all enjoying the CMS 2021 conference so far. It's great to see the CMS team lead the way and bring back the field together in person for a conference. Hope to be back in person soon with all of you in the same room soon. I want to take this opportunity to share an update on CellAgri and all the different projects we've been working on over the last few months and what's to come to wrap up the year, including a few things that we just announced and launched. For those of you who haven't heard of CellAgri, we are a news and market insight startup focusing on the future with cell agriculture. We track and promote all the different players in the field and share all our insights with our subscribers through our weekly newsletter. One of our goals is to become a homepage for the field where people can come to learn anything and everything about cell agriculture, from what it is to who's involved, to all the latest market insights and opportunities in the field. To support that goal, earlier this year, we published an updated version of the CellAgri ebook. The Introduction to Cell Agriculture ebook is an in-depth overview of the field, from what it is and how it works, all the way to common misconceptions about the field. We also list all the different companies in the field as well. If you're interested in downloading a free copy of the ebook, you can visit the CellAgri website at the end of the event to go and get it. Last year, CellAgri published our first investment report series. The report series broke down how, as of summer 2020, over $1 billion has now been invested in the cell agriculture food industry. That is a massive milestone for the cell agriculture field. It shows how cell agriculture is no longer an idea. It can be done. It can become part of our future food system. And now, I'm excited to announce the launch of the CellAgri Investment Report Series 2021. After the field reached $1 billion in funding over a 5-year period, that more than doubled from last summer 2020 to date. As of October 2021, more than $2 billion has now been invested in the cell agriculture food ecosystem. This incredible total highlights how the field is growing to address many of the challenges in our global food system. Through the report, you can see a breakdown of how $2 billion has now been invested in the cell agriculture food ecosystem across both acellular food companies and cell-based meat companies, as well as the traction data and numbers from each of the top funded 45 companies in the field. With a few months still to go in 2021, how close will the cell agriculture field get to raising $1 billion this year alone? We'll have to wait and find out. If you're interested in learning more about the investment report, you can download a preview of the Cell Agriculture Investment Report from the CellAgri report pages at cell.ag/reports. In addition to the update investment report, I'm so excited to share for the first time the launch of the CellAgri Supply Chain Report. As one of the first reports to ever address it, the cell-based meat supply chain report breaks down how to develop an ecosystem and supply chain around cell-based meat. In order for this cell-based meat field to scale and come to market, it's absolutely important that both companies and investors understand the white spaces and opportunities across the field's supply chain. From cell line development and cell culture media formulation all the way through distribution, there are plenty of opportunities for new players to enter the field and support the entire cell agriculture and cell-based meat ecosystems. To that end, the supply chain report breaks down the supply chain into 15 sections. In each section, the report explains what that part of the supply chain consists of, why is it important, as well as potential companies or startups that could enter the field to address that pain point for the field moving forward. If you're interested in learning more about the supply chain report, you can now download a preview of the cell-based meat supply chain report from the CellAgri report pages at cell.ag/reports. In addition to our report series, we're excited to announce our next virtual event. From the Cell Agriculture Asia Summit back in May 2021 to our recent Alt Protein Conference 2021, CellAgri has been busy organizing virtual conferences to help keep the cell agriculture field together in these virtual times. After another record-breaking year for the field, from new product prototypes to record-level funding rounds, CellAgri is excited to announce the Cell Agriculture End of the Year Summit 2021 on December 9th to bring together leaders in the cell agriculture field to highlight the field's achievements and accomplishments this year, as well as predict trends moving forward into 2022. With keynotes and panels by global leaders and experts, this virtual conference brings together the widest cell agriculture field one last time in 2021 to highlight its accomplishments. If you're interested in attending, tickets just became available for the conference online. You can learn more about the event and get your tickets at 2021.cell.ag. We'll be announcing speakers and the schedule as we get closer to the event. Thank you all for taking time to listen and hear this brief update from CellAgri and what we've been working on. Another big shout out to the whole CMS team for putting together an in-person event again and bring the future of food field together. Hope to be in person again with all of you soon. If you're interested in learning more or have any questions from the new CellAgri ebook all the way to our report series or even our upcoming virtual event, or even just want to say hello, please feel free to ping me on the CellAgri website or send me an email at ahmed@cell.ag. Hope to meet all of you again in person sometime soon. Enjoy the rest of the conference.